Kate and Frank were siblings who lived in a sunny little town near a beautiful lake. Kate, with her long brunette hair tied back in a ponytail, loved running around the shore collecting shiny rocks. Her younger brother, Frank, loved building sandcastles. But there was one thing neither of them had learned yet: how to swim. One bright summer morning, their mom said, "Kate, Frank, today's the perfect day to learn how to swim. Mr. Lucas, the swim coach, will meet us at the lake to teach you." Kate looked uncertain. "What if I sink?" she asked. Frank added, "What if the water is too cold?" Their mom smiled reassuringly. "You'll never know until you try. Learning to swim is important and fun." When they arrived at the lake, Mr. Lucas, the tall man with a friendly smile, greeted them. "Hello, Kate and Frank. Are you ready to become fish today?" Frank giggled. "Fish? I'm not sure I can even float." "Everyone starts somewhere," Mr. Lucas said. "We'll go step by step. First, let's get comfortable in the water." Mr. Lucas led them to the shallowest part of the lake, where the water was just up to their knees. "Let's splash around," he said. Kate and Frank started splashing each other, and before they knew it, they were laughing. The water didn't feel so scary anymore. "Good job," said Mr. Lucas. "Now, try putting your face in the water and blowing bubbles like this." He demonstrated, his face dipping under the surface as he exhaled with a playful bloop bloop bloop. Kate hesitated, but when she saw Frank try it and giggle, she gave it a shot. Soon, they were both bubbling away like little fish. "Now that you're comfortable, let's practice floating," Mr. Lucas said. He showed them how to lie on their backs, arms and legs spread out like a starfish. "I'll hold you until you get the hang of it," he reassured them. Kate went first. At first, she wobbled and giggled nervously, but Mr. Lucas gently guided her. "Relax and trust the water to hold you," he said. Slowly, Kate found her balance and floated all by herself. "Look, Frank! I'm a starfish," she called. Frank gave it a try next, and soon, he was floating too. Once they felt confident floating, Mr. Lucas taught them how to kick. "Point your toes and kick like this," he said, demonstrating. Kate and Frank practiced, sending little waves splashing everywhere. "Now, add your arms. Pretend you're scooping ice cream," he said, showing them how to paddle with their hands. Kate grinned. "I love ice cream, so this is easy." "Me too," Frank added, splashing along. By the end of the lesson, it was time to put everything together. Kate and Frank floated, kicked, and paddled their way across the shallow part of the lake, with Mr. Lucas cheering them on. "You're swimming," he exclaimed. "We're swimming," Kate and Frank shouted in excitement. That evening, as they sat by the lake eating sandwiches, Kate said, "I can't believe I was scared of the water this morning. Swimming is so much fun." Frank nodded. "Now I can't wait to come back tomorrow and practice more." Their mom smiled proudly. "See? Trying something new might feel scary at first, but with patience and practice, you can do anything." And from that day on, Kate and Frank became the best swimmers at the lake, proving that courage and determination can turn fear into confidence. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.